Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. And today I'm going to show you how to make pineapple glazed ham the way I know how to make it. So let's get into it. These are the ingredients you need. The ham is back there looking super pale because you know I wash everything with a little vinegar and lime. And so that's why she's given light skinned, okay? Shout out to my best friend, my Sha, for donating a ham and a turkey. Remember the last couple of videos I told you guys I won't be making a turkey this year because I just don't want to, child. It takes a lot the ways I want to make it, you know, super different. And so she donated them to me, and I just want to tell you, thank you, girl. And I appreciate it. So now I'm making the glaze. It's brown sugar. It's the whole can of pineapple chunks and the pineapple juice. I'm putting some nutmeg down in here, some, what was that? Some chili powder, and some mandarin juice. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box so you guys can check it out and you won't have to be scrambling trying to wonder what's in here. And so I'm going to mix this up and let it come up to a simmer. I'm probably going to let it reduce by half so it could get slightly thick, but not too thick. I know a lot of people like it nice and syrupy, and that's not really my route, but that's great as well. Now, when I tasted the sauce, it was good, but I wanted it to have a small kick, so I used some of that Nashville hot seasoning. Now, you just want to take the glaze and pour it all over your ham. The reason why my sauce, the glaze is also thin is because you remember this has to cook for a minute in the oven, and you don't want it to dry out and then your ham is dry. So make sure your sauce is not too thick. Cover it up with aluminum foil, whatever you use. And in about 90 minutes, this is what it looks like. And then this is where I start the glazing process. After 90 minutes, this is where I remove the cover as well. Others prefer to remove it later, but I do it after 90 minutes. So now after I glaze it, I'm going to pop it back in the oven for another 30 minutes. This is what it looks like after another 30 minutes. And now we're at what? 2 hours. So you want to glaze it really well, keep it nice and juicy. Look how delicious this looks. After I glaze it like this again, it goes back in the oven uncovered, and now this is like the final glaze before it goes back in the oven one more time. So in total, I cooked it for about 2 hours and 45 minutes, all together. And this just makes it nice and tender. It's cooked all the way through to the bone, honey, and you're just good to go. And this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to pop it back in the oven one more time. Once it's out the oven, I'll remove the ham from the pan and pour all the juices with the pineapple in a skillet or a sauce pot, and reduce it so it could get a little thicker, but not too super duper thick. Again, this is just how I prefer it, but you can reduce it to the consistency that you prefer for your ham. The more you reduce it, the more flavorful it becomes. And so that's pretty much what I'm doing here. And so this is the ham. Beautiful. Ooh! You see how that knife went right through there? Tender, honey. Tender, okay? And I'm going to be honest with you. This is probably one of the best hams I've made because usually it's not this tender. Like my knife literally fell through the ham, okay? And this is a slice of it right here. I'm going to continue slicing it up. And now I'm going to pour that sauce all over top. Ooh, my mouth is watering, honey. And all over top. And this is what it looks like. Now, if you're not going to slice yours up, you're going to put yours on the table whole, all you would have to do is pour this exact sauce over your whole ham. And then you guys could slice it up. They could get the sauce out the bottom of the pan, and you're good to go. This is the plate. You could match it up with whatever you want to. Today, I just throw on some steamed green beans and some macaroni and cheese, and that was it. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll answer them. And thank you guys for your support. I'll catch you on my next video. Bye!